When we say no to a flight, it means that somebody waiting on medical care may not get that care that they need.
I'm actually the son of an organ donor. My father passed away when I was a teenager, and that was sort of my first exposure to organ donation and transplant. There was this need for reliable, dependable, and consistent air transportation. And again, as the son of a donor, was super passionate about being able to solve some of those challenges for the transplant centers.
ENG started in 2023, so we're fairly new to the market. In that short period of time, we've become pretty well established with our transplant community and here in aviation.
When you first get into flying, particularly with medical-related missions, there is a sense of adrenaline, right? Always enjoyed having more of a purpose to the mission rather than just moving people from point A to point B. And while we're not carrying patients here, what we do definitely has a direct impact on people who are needing very specialized, very critical medical attention.
So each organ has a different sort of what we call, it's called cross-clamp time, but you can think of that as like a shelf life. That it can be outside of the body, and so that's what makes the operations of this so challenging. It's very time sensitive.
We're currently on 48-hour schedules, so if a call comes in at 2 a.m., I'm awake and answering it and coordinating whatever I need to in that time frame. Transplant is certainly a different world. There's things like time, safety. The distances that we're doing is completely different. Sometimes we're going across the country.
We're 24/7, 365. Everyone answers their phone immediately. It doesn't matter if it's 1 a.m. or 2 p.m. They know exactly how important it is and how time sensitive it is. Most of our drivers are either firefighters, EMTs, police officers, or retired from one of those roles, so they already know the importance of the mission.
Addison Airport's been a great partner to us. It's centrally located, very easy to get to all the different transplant centers, and obviously, access to all the different highways that allow our ground service units to get to the various locations very easily. Ultimately, we just want to be able to increase the amount of families that we serve, right? And that's through the transplant centers. Every single day, several hundred people are added to the organ transplant wait list. And so being able to increase the amount of, transplant centers that we're able to serve is, at the end of the day, the ultimate goal.